Hey freebies, we're going to cover 5 strums with a few different chord progressions using the X-Line Strum Method. Before we start this video, it would be great if you would check out my video that introduces strumming. You'll get a lot of helpful information there to make this practice session so much easier. This right here is my X-Line Strumming Method that I developed to help teach my guitar students. The down-up strums along the top of the bar shows where you're supposed to be moving your hand in that motion. But if there's nothing in the box below it, you're not going to actually touch the strings. Only strum the strings if you see an X in the box below that strum motion. Otherwise, it'll be a miss where you'll make the motion, but you won't actually touch the strings. All right, let's check it out. When we play these strums, we're going to do 2 reps on each chord. Our first chord progression is G, E minor, C, D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's play it fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, E minor to C. 1, 2, 3 to D. 1, 2, 3 to G. All right, check out this strum. We've got some misses on the and of 1, the and of 3, and the and of 4. We're going to use the chord progression E minor to A minor, going back and forth, each chord getting 2 reps of the strum. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, miss, down, up, down, miss, down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down, miss, down to A minor. Down, miss, down, up, down, miss, down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down, miss, down, back to E minor, down, miss, down, up, down, miss, down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down, miss to A minor, down, miss, down, up, down, miss, down, miss, down, miss, down. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 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 On to our next strum. This one we've got the misses on the and of 1, the and of 2, and the and of 3. Let's do C, G, D, E minor. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and to D, D, 2 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and E minor, 2 and 3 and 4 and number 4, we're going to have misses on the and of 1 and the and of 2. Otherwise, we're hitting all of our eighth notes. For this one, let's do our chord progression A, D, E, D. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down, up, down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down to D, down, miss, down, miss, down, up, down, up to E, E, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and back to D. To speed, here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and one more strum we're going to do today. We're going to have a miss on the and of 2 and the and of 4. So it's going to count out 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're going to play it as G, D, A minor, C. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2, miss, miss, down, up, down, miss, down, up, down to D. Two, three, four. If using the X-Line Strum Method was helpful for you today, I'm going to be releasing an entire book filled with all kinds of strums on September 1st, 2026. But until then, if you'd like to get today's strums as well as a few more strums, follow the link below to download my free ebook, Your First 10 Strums. Please hit subscribe and join me for more grooves. I'll see you there.